at that lovely. He is so gentle, isn't he? Look.
Oh, look at him.
Oh, that is
fantastic.
Look. Oh, look at Traveller. Oh, lovely.
Do it again.
Steady, Travis.
Steady, Trav. I think he was snapping his teeth at her.
Yeah.
Look.
Oh, that is brilliant.
Kissing her now.
I'd like a copy of that. Huh? I know.
Knock her head off in a minute.
Very.
Jack, leave him.
No, she's submitted, hasn't she?
He said, what are you all looking at?
I'll play with my kitten.
He's licking her ear now.
Yeah, I can see.
Oh, no, you've got to send that to Beadle. That'll go on telly, I'll tell you.
She's having a watch.
Do my chest.
She don't care, isn't it?
Yeah, she's loving it.
They're best friends.
Look at it, look.
You do commando now, look.
Oh, steady.
Oh, and he's good with it.
He's brilliant, isn't he, John?
You love him.
Look. Come on, he said. Use that paw. Go on, he said.
He said, I'll wash that for you. It's fun.
Is that enough, he said? You got enough, Dad, he said? Yeah.